community-based instruction field trip, and basically we take these field trips every month depending on what we're learning in the classroom. One of the things we're learning is how to use a menu. We have a modified menu for our students specifically. We're learning how to order using manners.
Eliminate, you got it, sir.
Cheers! It smells pretty good, like I love it.
I dined in today and I ate and got dessert.
I was learning about manners, paying, and eating.
At the end of our meal, we do a money transaction where the students start with an amount and then they're going to calculate the price of their meal and find out how much money they have left over for their shopping experience.
Can you find the total amount for your meal today? Right there, 1207. So we're going to put my lunch cost. That's right, so put it right here. Don't forget the decimal, okay?
That it's mostly important for our students because one day they will grow up and they will be out in their community, and I want to make sure that they have the experience on how to interact with their environment, how to use their money skills, how to use a menu. We want them to be independent and self-advocate.
Thanks, Lauren. High five.